In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a basic signature into your email on Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Fast 2025 guide. We're setting up a clean professional email signature in the Outlook app on a Mac, and we'll do it quickly while explaining what each option means so you can customize it with confidence. Start by opening Outlook on your Mac. From the top menu bar, click Outlook, then choose Settings. This is where all of your mail preferences live. In the Settings window, select Mail, and then click Compose and Reply. That opens the Signature Editor, which is the place you'll design and manage all of your signatures. Scroll to the section labeled Email Signature. Click the plus button to create a new signature and give it a short descriptive name like Work, Personal, or Marketing. Naming matters if you plan to keep more than one, because this is how you'll recognize it later. Next, type or paste the content of your signature into the editor. Keep it simple and readable. A few lines with your key details, a website, and any important links is usually plenty. If you paste from another app, consider using plain text first to avoid odd fonts or spacing. You can format the text with size, color, and alignment, but try to stick to brand colors and accessible contrasts. You can also add a small logo or profile image. Keep images optimized and not too large so your emails load quickly. If you include social icons, make sure each one links to the correct page and add descriptive link text so recipients understand where a click will take them. When your design looks right, set it as the default. In the Signature Defaults area, choose which signature should appear automatically for new messages and which one should appear for replies and forwards. Many people use a fuller signature for new emails and a shorter version for replies to keep threads easy to read. If you have multiple accounts in Outlook, confirm you've set the right default for each account listed. That's it. Close the settings window. Outlook saves your changes automatically, so there's nothing extra to do. From now on, your chosen signature will appear exactly where you expect it, and you can return to Compose and Reply anytime to tweak the design or switch defaults. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined email workflow.